Hello, welcome to today's demonstration brought to you by CADTalk. My name is Jeff Brickler and I'm a solutions architect, and I help customers accelerate and automate their engineering to manufacturing handoff. MYOB Advanced is one of the fastest growing cloud-based ERP applications in Australia and New Zealand. It's an innovative product with a robust suite of manufacturing applications. But there's a disconnect between manufacturing data inside MYOB and engineering data managed by design engineers in CAD, PDM, and PLM systems. CADTalk ERP, powered by artificial intelligence, works with over 30 different CAD, PDM, and PLM applications to transform the engineering bill of material into manufacturing bills of material, routings, and stock items inside MYOB Advanced. With the push of a button, CADTalk ERP keeps engineering and manufacturing on the same page with an 80% improvement in the engineering to manufacturing handoff. CADTalk ERP eliminates duplicate data entry, increases data integrity and BOM accuracy, and shortens lead time to the customer. Each time a new design is released or an existing design is revised, CADTalk transforms this data to create new or update existing items, bills of material, and routings in MYOB Advanced. Further, it identifies the changes between engineering data in CAD and manufacturing data in MYOB, so you know which information needs to be updated between the two systems, ensuring that everyone is working from the same up-to-date information. Today, I am demonstrating CADTalk ERP integration between Solidworks and MYOB Advanced. Let's get these systems talking. On the screen, I am showing a Sea-Doo scooter in Solidworks. In my MYOB environment, several sub-assemblies from the Sea-Doo scooter already exist. In this presentation, I will show how CADTalk creates new stock items and bills of material, updates existing items and bills of material, as well as revs up assemblies from revisions A to B, and applies the changes from SolidWorks. Upon loading the SolidWorks file, CADTalk ERP will read the bill of material tree, metadata, and all other associated data from the SolidWorks model and transform that information into fully indented bill of materials, complete with routing steps and MYOB Advanced. I have seen two workflows with CADTalk ERP. In some companies, the design engineer launches CADTalk from within SolidWorks and transforms the CAD data into a manufacturing bill of material in MYOB Advanced. In other places, a manufacturing or industrial engineer leverages the design engineer's work and builds on top of it using the standalone application. No matter what your process is, CADTalk has you covered. To begin the workflow with CADTalk, I log into MYOB Advanced in the CADTalk application. First, I press Load SolidWorks File, and I browse for the file either on my local drive or in the PDM. As soon as I select the Sea-Doo scooter, CADTalk recognizes the SolidWorks configurations and begins to process the file. During this time, CADTalk extracts all of the metadata attached to the SolidWorks files, and by using intelligence, translates that data into MYOB stock items and bills of material. Once CADTalk has finished processing, it displays in the screen a fully indented bill of material. The software's intelligence differentiates between new, existing, and changed parts and displays those differences easily with its color coding. Red icons indicate that the part is new. Green icons indicate that the part is existing in the ERP and we have not yet modified it, while yellow indicates that we have changed data. CADTalk highlights in yellow any new or changed data points that will be updated upon save, while also tracking all changes. Notice that CADTalk increased the revision on existing subassemblies based upon the changes in Solidworks. The interface provides a full BOM editor and auditing layer so that we can review and update any data points before saving the BOM. Once everything has been reviewed, then CADTalk updates the system with the press of one button. Immediately, CADTalk creates and updates every level of the bill of material. After everything is saved, the application shows us the completed BOM in green. Now that CADTalk has finished, we can see the completed bills of material in MYOB Advanced. Not only did CADTalk create every stock item, but also created every level of the bill of material without the need of going into MYOB Advanced. Returning to the CADTalk interface, let's review our flexible rules-based intelligence engine that allows the solution to be configured for every customer worldwide without the need for costly customizations. In the intelligence engine, CADTalk experts and customers alike configure the solution to handle the complexities of the engineering to manufacturing handoff. CADTalk's configurability and flexible architecture allows for easy updates so that you are always in sync with the latest versions of CAD and MYOB Advanced. We have now reached the end of the demonstration of the CADTalk ERP integration with Solidworks and MYOB Advanced. In this demonstration, we saw how CADTalk was able to create new stock items and bills of material, and update existing items and bills of material directly from Solidworks. Implementing CADTalk for MYOB Advanced boosts manufacturing businesses by reducing expensive manual data entry, increasing labor efficiencies, shortcutting lead times to delivery, and bringing consistency and accuracy to the bill of material. CADTalk's rapid implementation reduces time to value from months and years to days and weeks. Every part of the business, from purchasing to engineering to the shop floor, enjoys delivering on time and budget. Thank you for watching.